Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Janella, a major deal in the financial sector, NCB to sell Advantage General Insurance Company. We'll tell you all about that deal.
And from business we go to sports. Jordan Ford, what's happening?
Well, Archie, the ever-exciting 100 metres set to close the show at the National Senior and the Junior Championships currently on at the National Stadium. And we'll keep you up to date on all the happenings from the exciting action at the stadium in Primetime Sports Friday.
All right, now that's the focus of our feedback question tonight. We're asking, who do you think will be our 100-meter champion for men and women at this weekend's national trials?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet at Television Jam. By the way, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. So stay with us. The news in detail right after these messages.